Hi, this is Andrea Earl with your 2-minute tip of the day, number 3, organizing modules. In my opinion, modules are the best way to organize and deliver content for students. Here are my 5 best practices. First, organize your modules by week or by unit. When teaching students face-to-face, I found organizing by unit was extremely helpful. However, during distance learning, organizing by week helps keep kids more organized. Second, always put the new module on top. You can do that by dragging the handles in front of your modules. Number 3, use consistent text headers and indenting. 4, use consistent naming conventions. Some teachers number their assignments 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and just keep going for the entire semester or the entire year. Other teachers organize by week. So for example, week 19 might have 19A, 19B, 19C. By using consistent naming conventions, it makes it much easier for students to find assignments that they may be missing, and also for you to find assignments you may need to grade. Finally, make sure that all content you want students to access, whether it's a website, a resource, or other activity, is all accessible through modules. Modules should be the students' one-stop shop for everything they need for your class. Let me demonstrate. Here's an example of how one teacher has organized her modules. Notice she has the week with the date and cute little icons. Monday, and then Monday's work is for week 18, is 18A, 18B, 18C. Then she has Tuesday, D, E, F, G, etc. Notice also how she has a key word with each assignment that helps identify the type of activity the students will be doing. Check-in and the date, notes, you might have Nearpod, quizzes, Desmos, whatever it is. So let's go ahead and create a new module. Go to the top, create new module. We're going to call this week 19. And this is the first week of January. Happy New Year. And notice that module is created at the bottom of the page. What you can do is you can simply drag it to the top. You also might want to hide previous modules from students. I only do that at the end of the semester because I want students to have access to all of their work throughout the entire semester. But now's a new semester, so I'm going to hide it. I simply unpublish. The work is still accessible to students. They can still view it in their grades tab, and you can see it as well. But now it will no longer pop up on Students Modules tab. Now that I've created my new module, I'm going to start by adding a text header. And this is where I'm going to put in my days of the week, the day and the date. And if you like little emojis with it, you can do that as well. Now this drag and drop box only shows up the first time you create a new module. You can get rid of it by simply refreshing the page. One time-saving tip is to create a weekly template module at the bottom of your modules page. Leave it unpublished, but every week you simply need to come over to the 3 dots and duplicate the module. Drag it to the top, change the dates, and you're ready to add your assignments. If your assignment's already created, simply click on the plus assignments. You can select multiple assignments at a time if they're ready. Click on the first assignment, hold the Shift key, select the last assignment that you want. You can also hold the Command key to pick some in the middle. And then you can also select your level of indentation and add those assignments. Now, all I need to do is drag them into the right day, and I'm ready to go. While I must admit that organizing modules by week is super convenient for students and for teaching, it's not the best way for me to organize my own work. So I have a master course that I've created, also can be called a sandbox, where all of my assignments are housed. In fact, that's where I do all my creation, and then I copy my assignments into my real course when I need them. In my master course, I organize my modules by topics. I have my getting started, my SEL activities, math reps, fast attacks, and then I have my units, probability, rational numbers, proportional reasoning, etc. This way, when I need assignments, I can pull them into the appropriate unit in my course. For example, in my fast attack unit, let's say I want this fast attack basic addition. I can simply click on the 3 dots and I can copy it to my spring course. I can also choose the module. Say I want it to be in module 19. And where do I want it? I'm going to say I want it after Desmos 19b. Now when I just head back to my course, my math course, it's going to be there. Now all I have to do is edit the name, which is going to be 19C. Of course, I want to click on the assignment and make sure everything works the way I want it to, and I'm ready to go. You will also notice in my menu bar, students cannot access assignments, discussions, quizzes, except through modules. I hope this helps. Please subscribe and hit the like button. And I always appreciate your comments.